Hello everyone and welcome to Crafting with Amy. I'm Amy and this is the unboxing of my Cricut. I got it Saturday. I did this on my phone and normally I'm so used to deleting the background noise. When I uploaded this to my laptop, I deleted my talking during it. I'm doing this on my craft table, and my craft room at this point is, I'm trying to transition, get rid of Christmas stuff and everything. But it was boxed up very nice. It came with this starter toolkit with the scissors, the tweezers, the spatula, the weeder, and the scraper thing. And then it had a sample pack of different vinyl colors and two pieces of transfer tape, which don't get me started on the transfer tape. It and I don't get along. I can't get the back off of it. But it came with that gold, red, pink, I think, blue, a gray or silver, white and black, and then two of the transfer tape. And I wasted one of the transfer tapes because I cut it according to my thing and I cut it too small. So I was going to put it back on the thing to save it, and I put it on the paper part, the back of it, instead of the front, the slick part. And then of course it ripped up the paper. And now I wanted to do this all by myself. It's heavy, and I'm working with limited space. We still have some Christmas decorations in there and Christmas crafts I've made that I'm boxing up. But it's boxed up very well. And I was excited to get it. I've always wanted one, but I've been on the fence because there's so many different ones. And I do all of this. I end up putting it on I have a table over there that I normally take my pictures of my crafts and stuff. But for this purpose, because that table's kind of low, it's over beside my laptop. For the purposes of unboxing it, I do it right here on my craft table. And I need longer arms and legs. I just uploaded a video where I made 3 crafts using it. I'm just playing around with it. I got some more supplies yesterday from Walmart because I purchased some smart vinyl separately, black and white. Oh, that stuff's relentless. It's hard. It was harder than the vinyl that came with this. And that is the cutting mat that comes with it. And you always want to put that plastic thing back on it to keep it sticky. And then this is the setup guide. It was really easy to set up. I just plugged it into my computer, and I'll show here in a little bit where I did my practice test cut. They send you, yeah. I'm scared at this point because I'm like, I'm going to drop this. I'm just going to drop it. But I didn't. And then there's a pin. I don't know what that pin is. And USB cable and the power supply. And then another one of those packets of stuff you're not supposed to eat. I did not. I followed the rules. And I'm keeping the box just in case if you know, something were to happen, I were to have to send it back or something. And then they suggest keeping this cover and putting back over it. So I'm keeping the cover, but so far I haven't put it back over it. And it's purple or lavender. And I have my laptop over there on a, it's one of those, I think it's got 3 drawers that on the rollers, but I have, one of my rollers came off the back, so my laptop's kind of slanted, but that table is right next to it, so it plugs in real easy. And but the smart vinyl, it's good, but it's harder. So I got some more premium vinyl from Walmart, and I got some iron-on vinyl from Walmart, and some more transfer tape. So now I'm preparing, it came with cardstock to do a test cut, and it just walks you through. You select an image, you put the cardstock up there, load it, and I selected a flower. And it's a very intricate flower. And I was just amazed. I'm like, whoa. It's real easy to set up. It's real easy to get signed on to the design space. Like I said, I just did 3 DIYs with it. And now that I have the iron on, I think I got red, black, and white, and maybe pink iron on. But I don't have the heat press. I don't know if you can do it with a regular iron. I'm going to find out. And then I got some more black and white vinyl, and I think red, because my husband's a U of L fan. Although this year they're just not doing well at all. I don't know if I need other blades. Like I said, I'm still just learning. I've watched a lot of videos, and I'm continuing to watch a lot of videos. Just see what all this will do. But so far I'm impressed with it, except that transfer tape. I just have a hard time getting it off, the backing off. So now it's through cutting. I got another mat too. It's a green one. I don't know the difference. I think this one is standard grip. I don't know. But you want to make sure you put that cover back over it so it doesn't lose its stickiness. But I wasted a whole piece of transfer tape that came in the sample pack because I cut it and I ended up cutting it too short. And like I said, I ended up putting it to the back of it, which is paper, to try to save it. and it pulled up, and then I realized it, and it just pulled up all the paper. So the smart vinyl is good, but I found it harder to weed and harder to get it started as far as peeling it. Right now I'm having a hard time just getting these tools out. They didn't give me instructions on that. Oy. I hope y'all are having a happy new year. It's like 60 and thunderstorms, lightning. So I'm already, thinking spring, because we went from such low temperatures. We were really cold in November. Then we had thunderstorms and all that stuff in December. Then we turned to negative 30 wind chill through Christmas. And now 60 and thunderstorms and rain, rain, rain. But probably by spring we'll have snow. I don't know. I just really don't know. But in the video I just uploaded, 2 of them are just farmhouse decor with using Dollar Tree signs. And then one is a spring, because as far as I can tell it's spring. Isn't that a pretty flower? Look how intricate that is. Wow. But I'm going to continue playing with this, and like I said, I just uploaded a video of the first DIYs that I did with it. And I hope you all have a good day. And so far I'm really pleased with this, and I'm glad that I got it. And now I just need to play with it some more and see what all I can do with it. If it can do dishes, vacuum, dust, all that stuff, that'd be great. You all have a good day, and I'll see you in the next video.